birth cert. I was gonna say birth control.
Time for our Memphis Heritage Campaign.
I can stop my feet.
Let's see. Okay, baby, we're about to go get something to eat, okay? I figure I have to go in for a money order. Hello, hello. Welcome back to another weekly vlog. Okay, I'm gonna park right here. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. All right, let me get my phone.
That means a lot of people in here.
Well, I can't see you, honey. So let's all run in and then we can run and get breakfast. What time is it? Oh, I gotta hurry up my appointment. Okay. I'm not sure if I gave a proper introduction to the vlog, but I am currently out. As you can tell, I'm out. And right now, well, when you saw in the beginning, I had to get like a money order because I am reapplying for my passport. I'm getting my passport renewed and you have to have a money order, and I totally forgot. Not only that, we all were supposed to get our passports renewed at the same time, but that didn't happen because I forgot that you need birth certificates and both parents when you are renewing a child's passport or getting a new one. So Paulina and Jesus already have passports, okay? Now, Selena is the only one that doesn't have her passport, and I thought I had her birth certificate, but apparently I don't. So today, after I think I made an appointment, so only thing I could do really is just send my renewal in and then get their pictures taken. That's all I can do. I decided after we do the passport thing, I'm just gonna shoot down to Memphis and get Jesus's birth certificate because I don't know where his birth certificate is. The only birth certificate I have is Paulina's, which is so weird. But yeah, that's what's going on. Okay, so we are here at the U.S. Post Office. Okay, it looks like there's a lot of people in here, so I'm gonna vlog as much as I can in here. We're gonna see how Selena acts right with her pictures because I doubt she's gonna act right. Okay. Yeah, I don't know if she's gonna act right, and these two are knocked out. Paulina, are you ready for your pictures? All right, we gotta get in here. My appointment's at 1:15 and it's 1:08. Yeah, 1:08. Okay, see you later. Oh, she got the legs. Oh. You gotta smile for your picture. Are you gonna smile for your picture?
I smile. I'm just smiling.
Is that how you smile? What do you have?
I'm Tom.
All right, so we are back from mailing off my passport renewal and getting the kids their passport pictures taken. So now we are about to go eat, and then I need to head to Memphis to get Jesus's birth cert. I was gonna say birth control. birth certificate. Lord. Can I get 4 of your wake up wrap, 1 blueberry donut, 1 glaze? All right. Hold on, baby. I have to order another donut because Selena's having a fit. Let me pull my cash out. Okay, there are your drinks. How much is it for 1 extra donut? Hold on, baby. I'm gonna get you one. Caramel chocolate. Can I get a caramel? Huh? Oh, it was. I'll just do double chocolate. Oh, double chocolate. You gonna give it to her? Thank you, babe. Never mind. Thank you. Yeah, she wanted chocolate. Thank you. It's okay. Thank you. She was about to give us a free donut. Thank you for sharing yours, Cha-Ching. Huh? Okay, so we are here and so much has changed since the last time I've been down here, honestly. I thought I was gonna embarrass myself trying to learn how to parallel park on the streets. So let's get in here and get your birth certificate. Okay, got the birth certificate. We're back in the car and now I need to call my husband. So I think I'm supposed to be doing something. Gotta do some 4th of July shopping. I'm gonna buy some food for 4th of July, okay? I can't even talk. But yeah, I'll see you at the grocery store. Sorry, I should play midnight. Are you with me? Are you with me? You always. Okay, so we've made it home. I'm home, but I'm about I can't talk. I'm about to take a nap because I'm tired. We actually surprised the kids. We're gonna be going to a Memphis Redbirds game. I think they're playing Nashville, but I don't know anything about baseball and I don't know what seats I bought. I just know they have a buffet. So that's where we're gonna go later tonight, and then they're gonna pop fireworks on the field. So hopefully we got good seats. I don't know much about baseball. Yeah, that's what's going on. Oh, my husband's off work early, so we better take a nap before we take the kids to the baseball game. But yeah, I will see you when we're in the car. We are here and Chuchina already knows where we're going to do. Where are we going?
Baseball.
Yeah, we're going to the baseball game.
How long are we going to stay there?
Until the game is over. Oh, you can pay, just scan. Okay, let's see.
Is it going to be nighttime?
Yeah, it'll be dark. There's the FedEx form. And then this way is to the stadium.
chocolate over there.
Vanilla? Thank you.
Thank you.
There you go.
Good morning and happy Thursday. Yeah, it's Thursday, right? I did not film the rest of the 4th of July and yesterday, only simply because I think it was like raining. We had plans to go to my in-laws, but it started like pouring down really hard. So we decided to just stay at home. I don't even know if you can hear me with this fan. Okay. But yeah, so we had plans to go to in-laws, but that didn't work out because of the storm. So we just stayed at home and just chilled out. The next day, I woke up and my stomach was like cramping. It was hurting so bad. I could not do nothing. Like, oh, I was so tired, sleepy, sluggish. Like, I don't know. I just couldn't do it. So basically, I stayed in the bed all day and then I didn't have to cook. Yay me, because we already had leftovers from the 4th. So yeah, that's what happened yesterday. And the good news, today I'm gonna take you with me because today is my husband's birthday. The kids and I are going to go and get some balloons and decorations and all that good stuff so we can, you know, do a little surprise when he gets home from work. And we'll probably go to dinner if he gets off early. Okay, so today I feel a little better. Yesterday I felt horrible. All I could do was stay in the bed all day. But today I feel so much better. Only thing is I'm super bloated. Ow! Look how bloated. She want Paw Patrol. She want Paw Patrol? Okay, go ahead. Put on Paw Patrol. Amazon Prime. But yeah. Like, look at this. And then, like, I'm so bloated. I don't know. It just looks like it's giving 2 months. I'm giving 2 months. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. Oh, and then look, I ended up changing the computer room around. So I got this long tree. I have this tree from Target. This fan when I work out for in here, Target, and I end up getting moving my degrees from off this wall right here to over here. I just thought it looks so much better on this wall, but that's about it. And the pillow's Target. So yeah, let me go ahead and get ready, put on some makeup, look cute. I don't feel good, but I'm gonna look cute, okay?
Why are you looking at me like that?
That's what I mean.
Because your stomach looks weird. I don't know, I feel like because your stomach is so big, I feel like you should be expanding more than you're not. Your body. You know how when women have the bigger stomachs, usually their body is a little bit fatter, you have a little bit of a fatter face? Yeah. You're not. It's just not matching. That says 6, and then your body says not that. What does it say? It says like 4. Give me a hug. No, you need some food. Thank you so much. The best compliment ever. That
We got our food and now we are headed, well, they got their food. I'm just drinking me a butter pecan, the butter pecan frozen crunch. Oh, okay, thank you. And I'm about to head to Home Depot to get our stuff. Okay, I can't even talk. Looking for, I think they're coming here first. Definitely need 10.
What's that, Mama? What's that?
Excuse me. Sorry, can you point me in the direction of someone who can help me with this for AC unit?
I think that over here.
Right.
Give it to the Mama.
No problem.
You too. All right. If we get, ooh, the lighting over here. Yes. Okay, if we get a gift card, I think we should get Home Depot. Home Depot, not Lowe's. You see Home Depot? Looking for a Home Depot card in Lowe's. We are done with Lowe's. I'm actually surprised that it didn't take no time for me to find the fuse for the AC unit and to get the filter replacement for the refrigerator. That was super quick. I'm surprised. Here, baby. You're welcome. But yeah, I'm super surprised that didn't take long. That's the quickest I've ever, I ain't gonna lie, I've been in there in and out. But yeah, I'm just surprised that it didn't take us long to be in there because I have other things to do. What's wrong, Selena? You want another car? So before I started recording, while we were leaving out of Lowe's, Selena decides to scream loud as she could, hollering, no, she doesn't want to go to the car. So people are probably looking like, is she taking this child? Is this her child? Because she's screaming like, why are you screaming like that? So, yeah. She, sorry, somebody just cut through. That's so weird. But yeah, so she's screaming at the top of her lungs on the way out of Lowe's. She's like, I don't want to go to the car. I don't want to go to the car. And then when we get to the car, I'm trying to figure out why she's still hollering. And Paulina and them are like translating what she's saying to me. She's saying she wants a smaller car. She doesn't want to go to this car. She didn't want to come to the car, right?
I think she wanted the toy cars.
Oh, that's what she was saying. She wanted the car. The toy cars that was at the register? So that's what she, yeah, okay.
She didn't want to go to the car because
she didn't want to go to the car because she wanted a toy car. Oh, I get it now. Just breathe, baby. Breathe. Deep breath. Deep breath, mama. Deep breath. Okay. Arm deeper.
150 or 25?
25.
You get out?
You got it? Birthday card.
It's my mom.
His
I want
birthday.
the unicorn card for Papa.
There, I will have to look at it.
Mama.
Happy birthday. What? Girl, what are you doing? What are you doing, lady? Okay, let me turn this AC down because do I have an extra? I don't. Hi, how are you? Can I get a good? Can I get a check and deposit slip? Yes, ma'am. Thank you. The ATM, I don't know why that's the ATM, but the AT&T. I mean, the ATM line is super long. Thank you. Yes, ma'am. All right, we are here at. I was about to say Target. We are here at Sam's and oh, look at all these baskets. Someone has not put the baskets up. They are hanging all the way out. But anyways, come on, sir. Oh, there's somebody coming. But anyways, we are here and trying to find somewhere to park. Y'all know how slow I am. People like to jump in front of me. I think it's because I'll be paying attention. Okay, so we are here at Sam's. Let's see if they have the cheesecake that we're looking for.
Strawberry.
That's what you think, strawberry?
When we were at Olive Garden, we ate.
You said what, baby?
When we were at Olive Garden, we ate. Papa ordered a strawberry cheesecake.
That's his favorite?
Yes.
Okay, so let's get in here.
See? Strawberry cheesecake, brownie, and chocolate.
Be careful, honey, be careful. Assorted 3 any. Okay, well.
Maybe this.
That one?
Yes.
They don't really have.
I want these.
You want what? You don't have a big one.
Maybe everybody bought it.
This will be better.
If we all get each one. Yes. There's hot one flavor.
Yeah, so we get to try it. Yeah, okay.
I'll give to her.
We've been out
Good
of it
idea.
about 2 weeks, so we got it in last night.
Right.
And
Cece, you want orange juice? Do you want orange juice, Mama? No? Okay.
I'll bring these your baby.
Yes, ma'am.
If you look like 11 years old.
I know. I get it all the time. I'm 30.
Oh, really? Yeah. You good? You want another cake?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
How you doing? Yeah.
You step your feet. Mm-hmm.
I can stop my feet too. I'm a grandma. I can stop my feet too.
Oh, goodness. So Party Works is not here? Party Works is not here, you guys? Oh, they relocated to where? To Winchester. Winchester, Memphis. All right, so Party Works is closed. Well, they relocated. I can't even talk. So Party Works relocated. So now what we're gonna have to do is go somewhere else to get balloons. Dollar Tree. That's where we can go. Dollar Tree. Let me see. You like that one? Well, can I get more of these blown up? Look, she's blowing them up. You're out of helium? Okay, so we'll just pick something else. Thank you. We'll pick some. No, you're fine. Okay, so just pick another happy birthday. Okay, we are back home. My whole mouth is red. It's because I've been eating these. I was craving some hot chip. Okay. I'm gonna try to record. Just gonna run through what I got. Okay. On my hand. Okay, got this bag. Got this bag from TJ Maxx. So happy birthday. And let's see. First, TJ Maxx. Okay. So first TJ Maxx, I got this little handheld massager. It was, what was this? $19.99 at TJ Maxx. And then, oh, I don't know if my hands, I just grabbed like this little cute tank from TJ Maxx. And then I saw this hot pink dress. And I think this is on my color wheel. This color, this is on my color wheel. So I grabbed it because apparently this is one of the colors that like goes with my skin tone. I think I'm a deep winter. So I got this pretty cute dress. Okay, back to my husband's gift. So this my son picked out. It's a bottle opener. Earbuds. These are waterproof. Then he got some flip-flops. Oh, Target. Got some of these for the toilet. I got cards. The Home Depot gift card. No cards for the girls. They like to color and all that, so I'm not gonna let them waste any paper from the printer. Dollar Tree. These gift wrap tissue for the presents. Some sound makers, beads. And then I got, oh, some candles, backdrop fringe thingy, this party noise maker, and I got this wacky silly string. Happy birthday sign. Oh, I ended up getting the 2 orange juices from Sam's. Cedar, cedar microfiber mop thingy. Filters for the refrigerator. And then last but not least, I had to get these fuses.
Back to the basics, been a lot of things, but I never been basic. Run around bases, came from the basement, never been shameless. So I got stay in the streets, get dangerous, so I might bang it. Don't like hanging, unless you family, please don't claim it. Like what you claiming, what you saying, what you bout and what you need. I'm at the house, ain't at the club, I'm really chilling with my seed. I love my poppy, put me on, I'm really.
Get ready. Tonight, gonna make this a night to remember.
Good wine, good wine, good wine, good wine, good wine. Tryna be here for a while and a good time. When we ain't stressed out, just good wine. When I look in the mirror, I look fine. Good people, times, and good wine. Good wine, good wine, good wine, good wine. Streets get ugly, yeah, I seen it. Please believe me, I be tucked. Don't like smoking, last so long, so I keep sipping on this cup. Don't crave attention, just to mention I be chilling in the cut. Glass got empty, now I'm searching through my wallet for a $1 bill. And some change in my pocket, oh no. Hit my girl, can you spot me?
Blow it! Blow it! Blow it!
Okay. Make a wish.
Make a wish.
Yay! Okay, here's your cake too, Paul.
Hey, happy Sunday. I am currently in the bed editing today's vlog right now. As you can see, the week started out so perfect, but then I'm missing a few days. Like I went from 4th of July, then I went to July 6th. So I don't know, PMS, like Mother Nature, just really interrupted everything. So all the cramping and all that stuff kind of like made the vlog like real like choppy and stuff, but that's okay. I'm glad I was able to get as much footage and vlog as much as I could when I could. I can't talk. I did want to make sure I pick up the vlog and talk to you today because I am going out of town next weekend and I'm so excited. This weekend, no, yeah, this weekend. Let me know down in the comments below where you think I'm going. It's gonna be in the States. I'm not going out of the country, but yeah. So it's just gonna be me and my cousins. We are doing a road trip. Won't have the kids, I won't have my husband. Like, this is gonna be a much needed trip, okay? So yeah, I'm taking this trip before all the chaos begins. You know, school starting back up again in July and pre-K, all that stuff. So I need this little mini getaway. But yeah, so like I said, I'll be going this weekend. It's gonna be like a 3-day vacay, and I'm super excited. I don't know how much I can stress that. But so I won't be doing like a weekly vlog this week. I think I'm gonna do more of like a pack with me or something like that, along the lines, like a pack with me or get ready. I don't know, I'll figure it out. But I will be vlogging the trip. And yeah, I'm just super excited. But I do apologize if this vlog was short and just only 2 days on, on this week. I'm glad I was able to get anything out, honestly. Thank you for watching if you made it this far. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my page. And yeah, stay tuned for the little mini vacay, okay? Stay tuned. It's gonna be so much fun, okay? All right, well, thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.